Hello, my name is Gabriel Dunn. Today's date is March 18th, 2018. In this Bio 230 video lab exercise, I will be discussing the anatomy and physiology of the various tissues found throughout the body. We learned that a cell is the smallest unit of a living organism, and that cells join together to form functional structures called tissue. There are four types of tissue that make up the entire body: epithelial, connective, muscle, and nervous tissue. First, I will discuss epithelial tissue. This tissue is avascular. It contains no blood supply. It has no extracellular matrix. Instead, it forms close connections with other cells called junctions. Epithelial tissues are placed into two categories according to how it is layered and according to the shape of the cells. The shape of epithelial cells can be squamous, which is flat, cuboidal, which are cube-shaped, or columnar, tall column-shaped cells. Epithelial cells can be arranged in single layers called simple, stratified, which is multiple layers, and pseudostratified, which is the appearance of multiple layers. Some cells have cilia, others contain vacuoles that hold and secrete mucus. Stratified squamous cells make up the skin, the epidermis. Cuboidal shells are found making up glands of the body. Ciliated simple columnar cells can be found lining the fallopian tubes. Here, ciliated cells function to help move the egg from the ovaries down the tube. This mucociliary escalator works by using cilia to beat together rhythmically, and a constant flow of mucus allows this movement of objects. Next, I will be talking about connective tissue. And just as it sounds, this tissue provides connections and integrates the body. This tissue, unlike epithelial tissue, is highly vascular. It provides the connections for the epithelial tissues, and it provides the nutrients for it as well. It can serve as a fat storage site in adipose tissue, which is useful for energy reserves and extra protection as a shock absorber for organs. There is also a liquid component of loose connective tissue. This tissue constitutes blood and lymph. This tissue connects and integrates the body by allowing the delivery of nutrients, hormones, and other substances that regulate and maintain the body. Dense connective tissue can be regularly or irregularly arranged, depending on the amount of fibers it contains. Irregularly arranged dense connective tissue is found in the subcutaneous layer of the skin, known as the dermis. Regularly arranged dense connective tissue provides the support structures of the body, like tendons and ligaments, which attach muscles to bones and bones to bones. It also forms compact and cancellous bone and cartilage tissue. Next is muscle tissue. Muscle tissue is excitable, meaning it responds to an electrical impulse or signal. It allows the body's support structure to achieve motion and supports the pumping movements of the heart and the movements of the visceral organs. There are three types of muscle cells: cardiac, skeletal, and smooth. Nervous tissue is also excitable and can receive and send signals and information. This tissue forms the central and peripheral nervous systems, which is the control center of the body. A few of its constituent cells are astrocytes, neurons, and oligodendrocytes. This concludes my video. Thank you for watching.